Hi, y'all. Can you believe it? We're less than a week away from Inbound 23, and I can hardly contain my excitement. In just a few short days, me and 10,000 of my closest friends and colleagues are going to embark on an epic week of learning, collaboration, and of course, some fun. And while I get to meet some of you virtually at the HubSpot Admin user group each Tuesday, it is not nearly enough. Since we're a huge global group, Kyle Jepson and I have people from all over the world that tune in on a weekly basis to get their HubSpot knowledge transfer from our experts. And while we get great feedback on the content, the speakers, and everything else, there's one thing we definitely hear we need more of: networking with other admins. So we've recently introduced some additional networking opportunities for our admins at the HUG and are working on integrating more time during the meetup for members to interact with each other. If you've ever been to or seen a recording of a hug, you know I love my Scrabble board. And if you've ever taken a peek at it behind me, you may have already have an idea of where this might be going. I know we're going to have those awesome light up electronic badge thingies, but I wanted to take networking at Inbound to the next level and encourage some of you to step out of your comfort zones, or just give you a reason to chat with even more people about the HubSpot community you belong to and love. That's why I'm introducing the Inbound Scrabble Challenge. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is snag yourself one of these nifty wooden tiles from somewhere in the BCEC, meet other attendees during Inbound, collaborate on which letters you have to make the highest scoring word, share it, and reap the rewards. Now, if you've ever played the traditional Scrabble or Words with Friends, there are ways to double or even triple your word score totals. And I'm going to make it super easy for you to do that too. I'll share more details in the days leading up to Inbound, so be sure you're following me for more info. Are you up to the challenge? I'll share the link in the post to be notified when that challenge has begun. See you at Inbound.